The Hercules series premium triple braced fabric upholstered metal folding chair from Flash Furniture is our best folding chair ever and is perfect for any occasion where you might require temporary seating. This portable folding chair features 2.5-inch thick high-density fire retardant foam padding on the back and seat and is covered with burgundy fabric. The triple braced frame is constructed from 18-gauge steel with leg strengthening support bars. Other color options include gray and navy. This chair is economically priced and built tough to withstand years of heavy use indoors or out, and when not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. The Hercules series premium triple braced fabric upholstered metal folding chair, a great choice for all your temporary seating needs.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be looking at these Hercules folding chairs, and I have a lot of good things to say about them. I didn't expect that I was going to use these as much as I do, but I pretty much use them everywhere now. And this is a typical spot for me, as I usually keep this one in the bathroom while my toddler is taking a bath. But let me just give you a look at the quality of this chair. And I think the quality is what really stands out about this thing. It just feels really solid. This back cushion here is nicely padded. You can see this side is hard, and then there's a little bit more padding on the front there. The cushion on the seat is a few inches thick, and it's comfortable, but it's also thick enough to get some good support. I can sit on this chair for a couple hours at a time without upsetting my back. But as for the construction of it itself, it's like a nice steel frame painted in a matte gray. This one piece right here is plastic, but the rest of it is steel, except for maybe these little caps at the bottom. These are also kind of like a plastic material, but that doesn't really bother me, and they do seem very quality made. I've had this set of two for going on 3 months now, and it honestly still looks brand new. But what really impresses me over time is that the folding mechanism is still really smooth. It's not too loose and nothing ever gets stuck. Just really simple to use and reliable. So if you want something that you're going to be able to move out of the way easily, it definitely does its job. The other one that I have stays in my office because my wife consistently comes in and sits next to me, and it's a perfect height for my desk as well. So pretty much the same as my gaming chair. But otherwise, I'm pleasantly surprised with these chairs, and I think they're a great set. So if you're looking for some chairs, check these out.